The paddock of the Superbike World Championship has always been seen as an elite battlefield, heavily dominated by the traditional giants of Europe and Japan. For decades, brands like Ducati, Yamaha, and Kawasaki controlled the highest level of production bike racing, constantly fighting for supremacy. The hierarchy looked untouchable, until history decided to rewrite itself once again. Then came ZXMoto, a company that arrived on the world stage not just to participate, but to completely disrupt the established order of motorcycle racing. When the 2026 World Supersport season began, most experts expected the newcomers to spend the year quietly learning and collecting data. Instead, the E-Stroke ZXMoto factory Evan Brothers team unleashed a machine nobody expected: the aggressive three-cylinder ZXMoto 820RR. Leading the charge was veteran French rider Valentin Debise, whose calm precision perfectly matched the raw performance of the Chinese-built triple. What followed wasn't simply a few strong finishes, it was a complete shockwave throughout the championship. The biggest statement came during the Portuguese round at the legendary Algarve International Circuit. Across the March 28th to 29th weekend, Debise and the 820RR stunned the paddock by taking an incredible double victory. Teams watched in disbelief as a Chinese manufacturer stood on top of a World SBK podium for the very first time. It became a historic turning point that shattered decades of racing tradition and proved the performance gap between East and West had officially disappeared. And Portimão was far from a lucky result. The championship later moved to Autodrom Most, where ZXMoto fully established itself as a real championship contender. Even after receiving a 3-place grid penalty for Race 1, Debise produced a brilliant comeback ride, slicing through the field with relentless speed and overtaking established factory bikes to secure his third victory of the season. Race 2 delivered even more drama. With every rival now focused on stopping the rising Chinese team, Debise entered a fierce battle against Yamaha rider Kanankyu. The race turned into a high-speed tactical fight at over 250 km per hour, but the balance and composure of the 820RR remained rock solid. Debise narrowly defeated the Turkish rider at the finish line, completing another perfect double-win weekend and bringing ZXMoto's remarkable total to 5 victories in its debut season. With 5 massive wins already achieved in their first campaign, ZXMoto has completely transformed the story of the 2026 World Supersport Championship. They are no longer viewed as underdogs or newcomers, they are now genuine title challengers. Sitting just 19 points behind the championship lead, the factory squad has placed both the riders' and teams' titles within reach, turning the paddock into a fierce multinational battle. As the season heads into its critical mid-year phase, the importance of ZXMoto's rapid rise goes far beyond racing itself. Their success is changing the global perception of motorcycle engineering, proving that top-level performance is no longer exclusive to European or Japanese manufacturers. For fans, it marks the beginning of an exciting new era in racing. For the competition, the sound of the screaming ZXMoto triple getting closer in the mirrors is a powerful reminder that the future of motorcycle racing has officially arrived.